cracking combos time again. Here's my cracking combo for 2025. And here's my egg. Start with a revolving door step through. Same hand as leg. Lift up over your head. Same hand and leg, lift and up. And you can add a little bounce. And then while it's still up, you're going to do a thigh spin. Keep your head back so it doesn't get bumped by the hoop. Round it goes and catch. Take it over your head, down under the foot, and then flick it back. Put that leg back, arms go through and lift it into this lovely dragonfly position. Put all your weight on your front foot. The hoop will come round. Grab it. Point this foot as it comes off. Frames you behind. Comes all the way around. Twizzly, twizzly, twizzly in front. I'm going to show that from the side as well. Same hand as leg for those revolving door step throughs. Up, over, up, over, up, over. Bring it up. Balance on the one leg. Keep the hoop away from your face. Push round and put your arms through. Grab the hoop. Take it up and over. Wee. Try not to fall over. And under the foot and back. Then you can put your foot down. Hooray! And the arms come round and through. Weight goes on that front foot. Now your front leg is the same arm that comes through to grab the hoop. Weight forward, point the other leg as we take it off, bring it round to frame, bring it round with a twiddle, twiddle, twiddle. And you can always then carry on and do it again. I hope you have some fun with it. Don't forget to find my egg and give it a tick.